Mount Fuji. Elliot's photography.
Not very good.
Mahaba na yung lakad namin, so hindi ito ang oras para sumuko. Morning! What day are we in now? Day 4? Day 5? Day 4 in Japan. We're going to Mount Fuji today, so we're gonna join a tour group. So we are here at the meeting place right now. So it's still very early. It's 7:28, 29 right now. So the meet up time is 8 a.m. So we're very early, which is good. At least we still have time to chill out here. It's good to have a tour.
Yeah, honestly, we're happy to just turn off our brain.
Yeah, to not think about where to go, not think about anything, and also just sit there and wait until we're there. Nasa bus na kami papuntang Mount Fuji. Grabe, ang saya na. Nakaupo lang kami hanggang doon. So mga 2 hours yung biyahe papunta sa first stop namin doon sa Mount Fuji. Sa Uishi Park ata yung first stop, Uishi. So ayan, nandito kami sa bus. Grabe araw. Ayan, araw. Malibinok nga pala namin itong tour na to sa club. Kasama na yung buo, kasama na yung bus papunta doon. Tapos yung mga stops na gagawin namin doon sa Mount Fuji. So, doon na rin kami magla-lunch. Tapos, hanggang 5 ata itong tour. Or 5, balik na kami. Or mga 6 nakabalik na kami. Mga roughly ganun. Pero so far, ang ganda ng weather. Maaraw siya na hindi naman mainit. So, sana ganito hanggang pagdating namin doon. At sana magparidan sa Mount Fuji. Meron silang iba-ibang flavor ng ice cream. Nandito na kami sa unang stop. The Uishi Park. Kita-kita na dito yung Mount Fuji. Ang ganda ng view. Pakita ko sa inyo. It's Mount Fuji. Ang dami actually spots dito na pwede mag-picture kasi malawak yung area. Ayan. Nakikita nyo dyan. Kahit maraming tao, maraming spot na pwede kang makakuha ng picture with Mount Fuji. So, ayan si Mount Fuji. Ah, yan ba? Asan ba? Saan na? Ayan. Yan. Siya yan. Yan. So, yan. Nag-picture lang dito si Elliot. So, maraming mga tao dito. Nakakuha naman na kami ng mga pictures namin. Elliot's photography.
Not very good.
We bought some peach. So we have four pieces. We're gonna eat one now. Because Elliot said that peaches are good here. So we're curious. Is it actually good?
It's juicy.
We didn't wash it. We're just eating it.
Super juicy.
But it's not sweet. Why am I expecting it to be sweet?
I expected more flavor, but that juiciness is really good.
We need to go back to the bus now. We are in the famous Lawson. So you can actually see the Mount Fuji up top. But yeah, we're gonna go inside to see what's in here. This is what I got. Konti lang for now. Konti pa ito. Madami.
Yeah, pretty good.
Pero ayan
After this meal.
Buffet. Ito kami nag-lunch. Meron pa dito. Ayan. May mga food pa dito. Spaghetti. Salad. Meron na food.
Next.
We are back. So, tapos na kami mag-lunch. Buffet lunch yun. Napakita ko yung ibang food, pero iba hindi ko na napakita kasi malaming tao na kaya. So, ngayon nandito kami sa bus. here at the village. I don't know what's the name of the village. Pero village daw. Ayan, kita nyo. May mga mabibili dito, may mga restaurants, may mga ano-ano, pero sobrang daming tao. Kasi ito nga yung mga tourist spot dito. Do you remember what's the name of this village? No idea. Again, okay. Yeah, we have no idea. A nice walk here. They allowed us to have 1 hour here in the village. I still don't know what's the name of the village. It's actually kind of nice here. It's kind of different vibe. So we're just having a walk, looking around. We're full, so we're not really buying food at the moment. But we'll see later. But yeah, it's just a nice walk. As long as we can get back on time, we're good. How are you feeling? You good?
Full.
It's full. It's full. Ganito yung losa nila dito, color brown. Ayan, brown siya. So, siguro dahil heritage. Hindi ko alam. Ayan, brown sila dyan. Nandito na kami sa next stop. Punta kaming Pagoda. Hindi ko alam kung yun na ba yung last stop. Or parang second to the last stop ata. So, medyo maaraw. Pero hindi naman siya mainit. Maaraw lang. Kaya nag-sombrero kami. From here, pwede na kami mag-train pabalik ng Tokyo or sumabay ulit sa bus pabalik ng Tokyo. So, depende. Kaya dun din lang namin yung mga bags namin para just in case pwede kami mag-train or mag-bus. Depende. Bakit na kami dito? Taas. Hello. Pagod na ako. Why are we doing this to ourselves?
We liked it.
Pero kasi mahaba na yung lakad namin, so hindi ito ang oras para sumuko. Sa observation deck, ayan yung nakikita ko, like yung nakikita sa mga Instagram photos. Yung Mount Fuji, hindi na natin makita na foggy na siya. Nabalutan na siya ng clouds. And then Elliot. Are you sure we can drink this?
No, I'm not sure.
Why are they like washing their hands? I'm just curious. Tastes like water.
I don't know what I was trying to expect. Good, too big.
Okay, let's head down. Oh, I'm gonna buy my matcha ice cream. Bili ako ng matcha ice cream. Wala silang pure matcha, so matcha vanilla. 500 yen. Pero masarap siya. Ako lang yung bumili kasi si Elliot di siya pwede sa dairy. Well, kumakain siya ng dairy, pero today hindi niya yun i-risk kasi mahaba-haba pa ang ating time dito sa Japan, so mabuti ng safe. So ako na lang bumili.
Which one do you want? I don't mind. I want yellow or silver.
I don't know. Which one do you get? What's that?
We got the yellow one!
Oh, nice! I mean, I still prefer the red one, but...
Wow!
Nakabalik na kami sa bus. Meron pang isa dapat na ano ba hindi nyo nakakita. Wala na. Ayan. Kinuha na ako ng liwanag. Ayan. Meron pang isa na pwedeng puntahan para siyang street na makikita mo dun yung Mount Fuji. Pero since cloudy, wala na si Mount Fuji. As in, nandyan pa siya pero hindi mo na siya makita kahit saan. So, hindi na kami tumuloy dun sa street na yun. And, magti 3:30 na din. So, ayaw na namin maiwan ng bus. Kasi sasabay na kami dito sa bus pabalik ng Tokyo. So, yeah. We just made it right in time. Which is good. We're back in Tokyo!
Yay!
that was such a, I mean, nice trip for us. It's like we needed that rest. I know it's like a tour and it should be tiring, but it was a rest for us. So we were just there, sitting in the bus and then hop off if we needed to, and then take photos. It's really good. It's really good.
I think, as Diane was saying actually earlier to me, it's like really good if you're ever planning on like doing a trip and actually having the itinerary is to like, if you're gonna have like a day or two of like full-on things, have this tour as like day 2 or 3 where you can just relax after.
I think if I'm gonna plan it again or redo the itinerary, I would like do the tour probably on the 2nd and the 3rd day. Yeah, because it's quite chill.
Except for the steps.
Except for the stairs that kind of killed us again, but we recovered pretty fast.
Yeah, actually I'm alright now.
Yeah, I'm alright now. I'm good now. I can jump. Okay, we're going back home. Not home, hotel. We're going back to the hotel, and then we'll do the laundry, pack our bags, and just be ready for tomorrow before we leave to Osaka.